Okay, the Cooper's hawk that's oftentimes in an evergreen tree on a side street off of Kennedy Drive, just before Evans Road, is there today. He's got his back to us. Okie dokies. Well, wishing everybody a very happy Thanksgiving. Be careful out there if you're traveling. Speedy's down. He's going to come over and take a mealworm. Blue jay at the northern side. This is not lucky. Speedy back down. He's going to take a couple. No, one. Okay. House Sparrows going for the worms. But don't forget your worm. Yeah. Blue jay down again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was lucky. Southern side, we have blue jay down. Well, and we got House Sparrow down. He took a worm. Blue jay back. Making 1, 2, 3. They're so cute, all lined up. Yeah. Got Fluffy since she's here. Sunny morning. Cold, but not as cold as it was yesterday. Or else I'm just getting used to colder temps, but it doesn't feel as cold. Still cold enough though. All bundled up. Treats are down. Go check out breakfast. Yeah, I'm gonna go check out what's for breakfast.
Okay, we're still down on Piedmont, right where the creek comes to the sidewalk, and I happened to look up to the bare branch and saw some activity going on. Can't really tell if that's 1 or 2. We'll find out hopefully when we get to the park.
Okay, we got more than one bird. Well, they just turned on the bare branch tree, and we weren't sure what kind of bird it is, and I'm still not 100% sure. Well, that looks red-tailed to me. So, maybe we don't have more than one bird. Have to wait until I can see this on a much bigger screen at home, because I can't tell from this distance looking at a teeny tiny little camera screen what we got. But we got something. I think it's red-tailed. Red-tailed hawk, I believe. At least that's my story, and I'm going to stick with it for now. I'll change that story if I see something different. And it's over there. Look at the beautiful green hillside behind that bare branch tree. Just lovely. I love this time of the year. Everything greened up. Okay, in the picnic area, looking at the eastern hillside where the bare branch tree is, we have red-tailed hawk. Probably the same one that I already did a video on at the front of the park. Wasn't sure if it was or not a red-tailed hawk, but no doubt about it now. He's over there. I believe the California quail are going to be coming over to the park for breakfast. That's one. That's two. 3, 4. 5. And there they are. Come on over, guys. The food's fine. It's all ready for you. They're running in a line. Song sparrow, I think. Oh, maybe not. That's a white crown. No, that's a song sparrow. Fox sparrow making his way down. Very good. That's a non-live mealworms. Song sparrow. Spotted towhee's coming back. Fox sparrow is back. Get Fluffy since she's here. Meow. Yeah. Okay. You gonna come over? That was Speedy taking a mealworm. It. Yay! I put down a few live mealworms on the birdseed, and this guy's taking it. Okay, on the northeastern hillside, just past the Last Word Ranch area, we have 2 red-tailed hawks on a tree. Not one, but 2.
Morning.
And they're over there. Way over there.
Okay, our Cooper's hawk is in the easternmost redwood at Burnett Elementary. And it's a little anxious right now because our crow friends have started to gather for peanuts. In a moment here, I'm going to walk across the street to get a better angle of the crows. Oh, there went the Cooper's. There are our crow friends down on the fence as well.